Hi, my name's Henry, and I had a question from Kirsty. She asked, when they replace someone's hip, do they replace the bone or do they coat it in something to fix it? Well, they actually replace the bone. What I have here is someone's thigh bone, and this is a hip bone, and it attaches in to someone's pelvis. And normally it moves nice and easy. But sometimes if someone gets a diseased bone or they break it, what the doctors do is they cut the top of the bone off and get rid of that bit, and they get a metal part which looks like this, and it's quite heavy, and they put it into the bone, hammer it in with some glue, and then this bone has got the metal part at the top and it moves nice and smoothly in the hip. Now, sometimes they just need to replace the bone from the thigh bone, but sometimes they need to replace the socket as well because the socket's damaged or diseased. What they do is they do a very similar thing, put the metal part in, and it's got a plastic socket which they glue into the pelvis so that that's a complete hip replacement. So they've replaced the ball and the socket so the person can walk again without any pain. Now, you asked about hip replacements, but what I've got here is a few other replacements. This is a shoulder replacement. This long part here goes in to your arm bone, and that makes your arm move nice and freely and smoothly. And then we've got an elbow joint, and this one moves. This part gets put into the upper arm, and this part gets put into one of the two bones that go down your forearm, and you're able to move it. And here I've got a full knee replacement, and you'll see again that there's plastic here and metal there, and that makes it move nice and smoothly. So the hip is replaced by metal, and sometimes metal and plastic, and you get a whole pile of other replacement parts. I hope that answered your question. I hope you found it interesting. Please check out my other two videos on bones. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.